Social research methods is used by social scientists and researchers to learn about people and societies so that they can design products, services that cater to various needs of the people. Different socioeconomic groups belonging to different parts of a county think differently. Various aspects of human behavior need to be addressed to understand their thoughts and feedback about the social world, which can be done using social research. Any topic can trigger social research, a new feature, new market trend, or an upgrade in old technology. This social sciences course is about trying to understand methods and the ways researchers go about trying to find things out about people, societies, and cultures. This social research methods course isn't a practical or technical guide to doing research. Rather, it offers a way for us to think deeply about what methods are, and what they allow us to achieve. What will I learn? 1. Understand the scientific method. 2. Learn the vocabulary of social science research. 3. Plan and design research. 4. Practice with and interpret data. 5. Explore social science literature and improve assignments with good citations.